So I first came across Greg and Develop Coaching in an AI webinar online, and I was really interested to find out how AI is going to change the industry, how it's going to make our life easier, and how it's going to help us grow our business. So it's been fantastic. I've been a member for about 3 months now, and we've already put a lot of systems in place. We're improving our processes, and most importantly, I have a clear plan ahead for how I'm going to grow the business. The best thing about today is the sense of community, getting to meet like-minded people who are looking to grow and scale their businesses. I would say if you were quitting your job to start a career in tennis, you would never imagine doing that without a coach. So for me, you wouldn't start a business without a coach. And finding the right person who has been there and done what you want to achieve is a no-brainer.